Your Bitdefender Central My Payments tab missing issue is incredibly frustrating, but you can restore your missing subscription options instantly with these quick steps. This common dashboard glitch happens when local browser files block the secure billing script from rendering properly. First, clear your browser cache and cookies, which removes corrupted temporary files and forces the portal to download fresh dashboard elements. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in browser extensions, which brings us to method 2. Disable your active ad blockers because they often misidentify secure payment gateways as intrusive tracking scripts and block them automatically. If the panel is still hidden, open an incognito window to avoid all active browser configurations and load a clean session. Finally, switching to an alternative web browser resolves deeper system compatibility conflicts entirely, giving you immediate access to your billing dashboard so you can manage your antivirus subscription without any further delays. These simple adjustments refresh your connection to the secure server, resolve the display error immediately, and get your billing account fully back on track today so you can secure your devices.